Morning, what's going on guys? It's Friday and I just thought I'd leave you guys with a little video for the weekend. I know you guys enjoy these kind of videos, so make sure to smash that like. I'm here in the outdoors guys, it's raining. It's about to rain in a minute because I can see the clouds. But today guys, it's just a live trade. The same trade that we made on the Discord chat called Foot Locker. And a lot of you would have traded that stock if you follow me on Discord or the stock alerts account that I have, because I gave you that stock to trade. And a lot of us know the reason why we trade these stocks in the first place, and that's based on earnings, etc, etc. So I just want to go through that trade for today. Hopefully you get value, hopefully you learn a thing or two, and if you do, smash that like. That's the least you could do guys at this stage, and I appreciate you guys for sticking around to watch these kind of videos in the first place. I know I don't say it, but it's just for me to help you guys. That's pleasure, right? And follow me on Instagram, by the way, as Simply Zed if you haven't already, to learn a thing or two. So let's go to the computer and let's make some trades. Alright guys, today we're trading Foot Locker. It just came out with bad news, and look, it missed analyst expectation. It came out with some China tariffs. They're scared. So today we're actually going to short this. We made our mind. Everybody on the chat today, we will short that stock. As you can see, it just dropped in value significantly, guys, and we're way in for a little pullback here, and I'm just keeping an eye on the figures before I actually can jump in. See, the pullback is coming, guys, with these figures. Quick pullback, and then, but look at this, guys. You see this? There's the pullback. Very good. 44.90. Very good. And I'm in. So I'm in, guys, to Foot Lockers now with a short position. I know I might be early, but it's not actually pulling back. But here's the green, as you can see, and yeah, here's a pullback. I'm gonna add more positions to my 45. So 45, 30, 27. All right, I'm gonna actually add another position. This is not it. Foot Locker 45. Here we go. Another 100 shares. Here's another 100. 45. So now we have 500 shares on Foot Locker. Okay. So we are profiting, guys. As you can tell, we are profiting $80 so far because we've seen the resistance. And guys, you shouldn't be texting while we're trading. So $130, guys. It's only been 2 minutes so far. 165, 180, 190. Very good. Let's have a look at the Discord chat. 300, 345, 390, guys. This is amazing. It's only 2 minutes. Everybody's eating. I can see it on my phone, guys. Everybody's making that dough. Yeah, it's amazing, guys. There's more reviews, killing it. Just 3 minutes into market opening. So obviously there has to be a pullback, guys. I didn't take the money, but we're still early. I'm hoping to get 44 out of this. Just come out with 44 from that trade, or just take 60 cents from that trade and exit that position soon enough. So $300. Here we go. Here we go. Amazing. See, we don't sweat it, guys. We have a pattern, and we know we have confidence backing it up with a report. And there we go, guys. Breaching that resistance level or that support level. And we are at 350, 400, $500, 570. Yeah, baby, 580. And I love it when I see my people eat, guys. And I'll show you who's eating in a few minutes. I've never seen... Well, I have seen such things, but look, we talked about this, and I told you guys, this is exactly what's about to happen. I told you the pattern, and that's the beauty of this style of trading. $600 here, guys. We're going to get out soon enough. We only have 500 shares, and we're already taking $1 from that stock. Therefore, we're getting out and buying and covering our position here. I'm out. $500, guys. $500 made just like that. Now let's have a look at who's profiting also. So as you can tell, guys, more profit coming in from use. Same stock, same trade, because we talked about this in this chat previously for the past hour. We've been chatting about this trade and forming ideas and forming strategies. More people out. Steak tonight, baby. All right. He's eating. Everybody's eating on the chat, guys. That's the beauty of it. And yeah, I just wanna sit around and just watch the comments from you guys, you know, talking about how you're profiting, how you're making money, how you're making dough. This trade is very good, you know. I'm proud of you. You know, this is something we have, guys. $1 per share, amazing. This is the same as me. I took $1.20. So everybody took, you know, something out of this trade. So I'm just letting the recorder record and let me just show you what's happening. Profit, third green day. Grateful. And I'm grateful, and this is amazing. Great. Beautiful. See, guys, more reviews, same trade. Amazing, my friend. 3.5 out. Beautiful. Beautiful, my friend. Now, let the non-believers maybe believe at this stage. And take the content even more seriously, guys. On YouTube. So, you see these people, guys? I'm pretty sure those who are not, you know, typing are still kind of in a trade or in work, so they're not really typing. And I also told you guys, do not share everything. So, $300 profit, amazing, 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 guys. This is what I'm talking about. Now, Nolan is typing. Everybody's eating, baby. Everybody's eating. Profit, Raging Bull Girl, amazing, amazing. Yeah, this trade, guys, you know, it's amazing. I can't say anything else, guys, but you can see it for yourself. Paper, you know, this is a pattern that forms itself. You know, guys, this is why I trade in specific ways. You know, but yeah, we leave money on the table. That's okay. It's okay if we leave money on the table. It actually changes nothing. So yeah, here we go, guys. Here is more people. You know, people are eating. People are making a wage salary in 3 minutes. And that's the beauty of trading, guys. That's the beauty of what we do here on this channel. So, if you want something, you get it, guys. See you again for more videos. I appreciate you for watching. And yeah, peace and love, guys.